everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. In case you don't know, Stitch Fix is a styling service that is online only. You pay them $20. They'll curate a box of 5 items for you. Most of us, I think by now, get the Stitch Fix preview, which allows you to choose. They'll show you 10 items and they'll allow you to choose which items you want to put in your box. This time around, I only chose 1 item. You keep what you want, send back what you don't. Keep 5 items, you get 25% off, which ends up being a pretty good deal. And then what ends up happening too is I was offered the Style Pass many years ago because I've been a subscriber or customer since 2018. When I originally lost the weight, I had nothing in my wardrobe that fit, so I was starting from scratch. Now I've been able to maintain for 5 years, and I might do a video on that. I've been, maintain the same size for 5 years, which is the longest ever in my entire life that I've been able to maintain the same size. So I'm not really looking to add a ton of load of items to my closet. I'm looking for unique, on-trend items for me to fill in some gaps in my wardrobe. And honestly, a lot of Stitch Fix's inventory over the last 5 years has been very repetitive. And, I'm just not seeing that much. Even when I can use the app and I look at all the brands that I like and I look at completely what they have in their inventory, it's the same stuff over and over and over again. It's very seldom there's something new that pops up that I'm actually interested in. Now, I follow a lot of social media items on Reddit. If you've been following me for a while, I'm an avid person for Orange Theory Fitness. I work out a lot, and I follow them on a thread on Reddit. So basically, people get inside scoop on Orange Theory. Because I'm also a Stitch Fix customer, I subscribe to the Stitch Fix threads on Reddit too. And I learned from them that the Style Pass is going away. I just renewed my Style Pass. I am good until July of 2024. So I will continue to get my free fixes until then. They are going to be introducing a new rewards program come 2024. So chances are you're good for another year if you are going to renew until this year. I'm not quite sure everyone they're going to renew, but if you are I think they phrased it, if you are a profitable comforter, they will offer you the Style Pass again for 1 more year. So like I said, I just renewed, so I'm good until next July. And after that, I'm not so sure if I'm going to keep up with Stitch Fix because, again, their inventory is a little bit stale. So they got to, snazz it up a bit for me to pay $20. Like Wantable, I look at their stream and I only order a box on their stream when there are things that I know that I like and want, and a lot of them. And the same with Trendsend. Trendsend, I can go to every site. If there are things that I really want and I end up getting like 40 or something more items on my wish list, then I'll order a box. But I'm not going to order a box for 1 or 2 things because there's not always a good chance you're going to get those 1 or 2 things. And like I said, I'm at the point where my wardrobe is stuffed and I'm really only looking for unique items to me. All right, so enough of that and let's go on with this fix. As also many of you know, my stylist also happens to be my friend from Shannon's Style. So when she sent me my fix, the first thing that I saw that I wanted, it was actually a preview, was pretty good. It had 2 blazers, I think both by Liverpool, but I just simply didn't need these particular shades. I forget what else. And then they also had this black sweater vest. Now, in the preview, I liked this sweater vest. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, I went, oh, I don't know. It's like really wide on the bottom, very boxy and wide. If you've been following me too very long, that's not really my style. It's definitely got like a high-low action here. This is by French Connection. It's the Mozart sweater vest in black, extra small, $98. So right then and there, $98. I knew it was $98 when I accepted it, but I thought it was going to be a little bit different looking. But this is 100% cotton, made in China, and you can machine wash and dry flat. I'll try it on, see if I like it. Like I said in the preview, I did like it. It is like a very faint cable stitch. I don't know if you can see that, and a very wide stitching around the neck. So I liked it on the preview. Not so sure I like this wide bottom here. So we'll have to see. $98 is a lot of money for something like this. Now I've been known to spend something like that, but on black, I don't know. All right. Next item. The rest of this box is a surprise to me because I declined everything else in the preview just because it was nice stuff, but it's like I just didn't need it, you know? Next item, which I already know is going back. This is the 41 Hawthorn Tiffiny Tulip Sleeve Blouse in dark green, size extra small for $60. Now, I already peeked. This is 100% polyester, but I do have to say, this is a very nice polyester. So even though this is $60, I would say, like when I'm shopping at like Loft, White House Black Market, etc., Macy's, etc., the quality of this polyester is a nicer polyester, and I would recommend this blouse based on the material and the price. It just seems in par to me when I'm actually out shopping for the quality it is. It does have a little ruffle here around the neck. I like that. It has a split V-neck. I like that. And it has this little tulip sleeve. I like that. So you're going to say, well, if you like it, Carolyn, and it has so much, nice material, why aren't you considering keeping it? Well, because I have like a jade green, like a brighter color green blouse already that I got from a Front Door Fashion. And I have a dark green knit top already from Loft that I haven't worn. And I'm at the point, because I work from home, I prefer to have like knits, like sweaters and knit shirts over a blouse because I just don't go anywhere. But this is a very nice blouse, and I will try it on and style it for you guys. The next item are a pair of jeans by Just Black, a classic straight jean in indigo, size 0, $98. I just kept a pair of straight jeans from my last box that were this color, straight leg. So I really don't need yet another pair. I think I'm set on straight leg. This is, let's see, 93% cotton, 5% polyester, 2% spandex, machine wash cold, dark colors separately, tumble dry low, dry cleaning possible. I would never dry clean jeans. I know some of you out there do, but I would never dry clean jeans. So yeah, I mean, these are your standard clean, straight leg. It does have the raw hem here on the bottom, which doesn't bother me. But like I said, I already own a pair, just got them in my last fix. Do not need another pair of clean, straight leg jeans. Very nice pair though. I will try them on, style them for you. Next item. This is the BREA, B-R-E-A, Canyon Linzia puff sleeve V-neck knit top in gray, size extra small, $42. Now, when I saw this in the preview, I said, oh, that's kind of cute. Not the preview, but I'm a cheater. I go to checkout, and I look to see what is in the checkout. And I thought, oh, this is cute. I like this. But upon opening it, this feels like the brushed knit that we all dread. We say, oh, it's so soft. And then after a wear, it completely pills up. That's what that feels like. So right then and then, because it's brushed knit, I'm probably not going to keep it. It has the wider band that gives it that puff sleeve look, a little bit of puff sleeve shoulder, V-neck, which I like. Let's see what the material on this one is. And it's not as soft on the inside, it is the outside. This is machine wash cold and gentle, similar colors, use non-chlorine bleach, line dry, low iron, 72% polyester, 24% rayon, and 4% spandex. So it's a cute top, but I know that this material will not last 1 or 2 wears, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sending this one back. Last item, which when I saw it come out on the when I checked out that she sent, I was like, oh, well, that's kind of interesting. Not sure I need it, not sure how it's gonna look on me, but it's interesting. So the next item is the Steve Madden Apparel, the Knit It Jacket in beige, size extra small for $109. Again, pretty pricey. Now, I might be a little bit negative Nancy on this because I did order a Trendsend that's coming on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. And boy, did she do a good job. And there's lots of stuff that I want when I pretended to check out to see what she sent. So I'm super excited about that. So I kind of have to be kind of negative Nancy on this if I want to keep what I want from that. But this is kind of interesting. I will try it on and style it and see how it looks on me. So this is kind of like a ribbed material. Okay, and it is quite long. This is like a long jacket, and sometimes long jackets don't look the best on me because I am so short, but it's like, I guess you consider it like a car coat, but I can wear this indoors like and make like a statement with this kind of jacket, I think. I have a dress in like a faux suede tan camel that can be open and worn, and to me that's like a statement item. So this is kind of something similar, but in knit. This is 85% polyester, 13% rayon, 2% elastane, made in China, hand wash cold, you know that ain't gonna happen with me, separately, non-chlorine, bleach, lay flat to dry, low heat iron if necessary, all right? We'll try it on and give it a shot, but $109 right now is not saying, oh my God, Carolyn, you must add this to your wardrobe. We'll try it on, see what it looks like. All right, give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, first two pieces are on, and that are just black jeans. I styled them with my black loafers that I got from a Stitch Fix. Again, I didn't have black loafers, so I grabbed those. The jeans, like them a lot, fit very well, stretchy and comfortable. I really, really do not need any straight leg more jeans. I got plenty now. I got jeans coming out my ears. The only kind of jeans I'm considering getting right now are a pair of black jeans. So these are going back, like them a lot, nothing wrong with them. They're my normal size 25, lots of stretch, extremely comfortable, 5-pocket styling, raw hem. You can see it comes right to just my ankle here. So they fit great, just can't justify them. The top, love the top too. So if this were not a brushed knit material, I definitely would have kept it. The fact that it's brushed knit, I know that it's not going to last like more than 2 wears. It's going to start pilling up, but it's super soft, has the balloon sleeves, the puff sleeves, fits well, a modest V-neck. I don't have to wear anything underneath it. This is a great work from home casual top, but like I said, I just don't trust that it's going to last any length of time. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on some of the next pieces. Okay, I have on the 41 Hawthorn blouse. It is a very good quality polyester. Notice it has the curved hem. It is longer in the back. I, however, would front tuck this and tuck it under so it doesn't look like I have a diaper so much. And this is how I would wear it. I would wear it with the front tuck and wear this out in the back with it under like this. And I kept on my black loafers because this is how I would probably wear this working from home. Really like this blouse, love the way it fits. The quality is definitely there on this one. So unlike the gray top, I definitely think that the quality is there on this. Why am I not keeping it? Well, let's discuss the blouses I have. All right, granted, this is a completely different color, right? But it's still in the green family, and I got this from a Front Door Fashion. Then I have this one, which the color is pretty similar, all right? That I got from Loft, and it's more of a knit style that is more my vibe these days from working from home. A little bit more casual, not as dressy. Do I love this one? Yes, but I just can't justify it when there's so many other things that I see that I know I'm gonna want. Now I have this one, again, not quite the same color. This is more of a teal color. And it's also more of a summer thing. Again, it's a typical Daniel Rain top that I got from them, and I have not worn it yet this summer. I still like it and everything. I just never got a chance to wear it. Maybe you'll see it this coming week. And then I have this Loft top, also something I haven't worn in a while. Yes, it has a pattern on it, but it's still green. I mean, how much green tops can I possibly have in my wardrobe? Plus, I have another one that's like a mint green, but that was really pushing it, so I didn't want to show you. So I like this top, like it a lot, highly recommend it. It's just not for me in my current state of life as it is now. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, next up I have the black sweater vest by French Connection. And this is a big disappointment for me, and I was actually very surprised to see it when it came in the fix. It wasn't like I expected at all. So it does have a slit here on the sides, and it's longer in the back. So it kind of feels like I have a cape on, to be honest with you. Not my thing. I don't like how the front then just hangs, almost giving me a maternity look. I don't like that look at all. This is how I would envision wearing this if I like this. These are a pair of Sanctuary Kit Crop Flare that are green and black check. And again, I kept on my black loafers. You can see I'm kind of obsessed with these things as they're very comfortable. And of course, they're in style. So no to this sweater vest. This is kind of disappointing because I do like French Connection. I like the fact that it's 100% cotton. If it was a really great fitting sweater vest, I might have kept it, even if it were just plain black. But yeah, there's nothing I really like about this other than the actual fabric. And it is also too big here in the arms, and that is my bra you can see right here on this side. So no to the sweater vest too. Give me a minute. I'm gonna figure out how I wanna style that jacket. So just give me a minute. Okay, just when I thought I was gonna be sending back this whole fix, I said, what the heck am I gonna wear with this, jacket, this coat? So it's a knit, it's like a sweatshirt material. It is not like a heavy coat. It's like almost like a knit blazer, but a long one. And I don't have anything quite like this. The closest thing I have to it is this long faux suede dress that I wear open as a jacket. And you can see the color's different. This is faux suede. It has snaps down the front. It doesn't look anything like this. I'm gonna also look back at the footage, and I'm gonna publish this earlier than I had originally planned because I want your feedback as to whether or not you think I should keep this, because this is definitely unique to my wardrobe, and it definitely gives a statement, and it is definitely work at home appropriate. It's very soft, comfortable, and stretchy. It's definitely like a unique item for me. So what did I pair it with? So it's not quite, it's like a beige, but it's like an oatmeal type of beige. So it's an off-white, but it's not like a creamy yellow. I first tried a pair of ivory pants, and the ivory was almost like a little bit too yellow for it. And I know you can mix your shades and whatnot, but it just didn't quite look right. And then I put on another like turtleneck that also had like a little bit too much of a yellowish tinge to it to look good with this. So I settled on this French Connection sweater that I got from a Trendsend, I think 2 years ago. Love this sleeveless sweater. A lot of people say, what good is a sleeveless turtleneck? I think they're great. They're great for layering. I paired them with the Cosmic Blue Love straight leg jeans, dark wash that I kept last Stitch Fix. And I put them on with my Sanctuary little heels, also in this beige, but not yellowy beige, but like oatmeal-y beige kind of color. And I think this gives a statement look and is comfortable. It's casual, but statement making to make it look dressy. So I am seriously considering this jacket. Please let me know your thoughts below. Again, it's unique to my wardrobe. This will definitely put a hamper on my budget for Trendsend now, and that is coming tomorrow. All right, that is it, everyone. Let me know your thoughts. The other items are going back. I won't be sad to send them back. This one I might be a little bit sad. Like I said, I put it on and it kind of put a smile on my face. It's definitely something unique to me. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Take care. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Click that notification bell if you're not already notified of my videos. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Take care. Till next time.